So is it recording?
Not yet. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be looking at my fidgets. I have a big box of them like here, and I have this. It doesn't really fit, and I have these two. Just see if this actually. Oh, it does. Okay. Oh, and I have tangles, but I need to fix them. There, this is my tangles. Okay, so first, let's go from up to bottom. First, I have this giant poppet. And it actually kind of works very well. I got this for my birthday. Oh, and I got a lot of poppets. Just saying. Got this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. That's a lot. And I have two small glow-in-the-dark ones. But first, we're going to count how much poppets I have. Oh, and also, I don't think this is a poppet. It's kind of like a dimple. But I don't know what it's called again. I forgot. Rafa. Daddy Rafa's here.